Today, I'm unboxing the LEGO ATTE Walker. Now to review this, starting with Cody. This Cody looks super good. They have detailed paint on the helmet. They added like battle damage, like scuff marks and stuff. All in all, it's just a really good minifigure. On to the ordinary 212. He looks really good. Again, he has scuff marks, a little bit of chipped paint here and there. Again, a really good minifigure. Now to the Gunner. Yeah, sorry, I lost this guy. Whoopsies. But he does look really good. He has, like, extra armor on his chest, which looks super nice. Again, scuff marks, chip paint, etc. I also lost all my battle droids. Like, not just these ones, like, all my battle droids. So that was my bad. So these are just normal battle droids. Like, they're okay. I think that LEGO needs to redo their battle droids so that they look more detailed. To the ATTE. This looks really good. Like, the detail is incredible. Like it's extremely playable. This moves. All of the ball turrets rotate. The cockpit comes out so you can, like, take a clone out of it. I broke it, whoopsies. The legs look super nice. They all can move very well. Carrying handle, which just comes in handy so much. The armor looks incredible. It was so satisfying to put all the armor pieces on, just because it, like, fits together so well. I lost the spider droid, too. Sorry. My first main gripe about it is that the blaster bolts, like the little studs that it shoots out, are green when they should be blue. Like, what's up with that? My main thing that I personally found really annoying about it was it's too small to, like, film the inside, like, as a stop motion, because it would look really bad. But then it's also too big to film the outside. So what I did to fix this was I built a full minifigure scale interior. So, like, yeah, if it's lit, it looks better. And then I made a, like, fully, like, functioning micro scale exterior that I can use if I need to do, like, a wide shot. So, like, I made the legs, like, move really well. Turret, obviously, it moves. The, like, front looks good. And then I used these, like, levers as the, like, ball turrets, because I feel like they were just made for that purpose. Like, they look so good. Also, the micro scale version took me, like, 4 to 5 hours to complete. So just because of that dedication, I think that you should subscribe. Also, I'm working on a stop motion with the ATTE, so you're probably not going to want to miss that. Update, I found all the minifigures that I lost.